Hello student, I hope you are all are enjoying your online classes and you are completing your work in time. So for the 7th class student, I have brought one more interesting thing. I hope you will be enjoying doing that. That is a reasoning subject, and in the reasoning we are going to study first chapter about the analogy and classification. So let me introduce first what is the analogy and classification. So analogy is just the comparison between two things, and in analogy question it will be like two things will be given which will be related to each other in any manner, and the next one any question will be given, and by seeing the first two comparison you have to identify the answer. Okay, and the classification is nothing but the classification of the various item into group on the basis of their common properties. This item may be in letter, number, things, or the figure. Okay, so let's begin with the example. Then we will be solving the exercises. Okay, so first example, let's see it. Letter is related to word. In how many letters are related to word? As a word is a group of letters. The word is the group of letters. So page will be in what manner? The page will be related to the ink, pen, book, or a paper. So as word is group of a letter, similarly book is a group of pages. So the right answer of it is book. Next question example 2, 237 and 732. 237, 732 is the reverse of the 237. So what will be the reverse of 475? So definitely you can see the options, and I can find 574 is the answer of this question, which is the B1. Okay, so the next one, choose the correct option which will replace the question marks. So you can see the example 3, in which in the one box a circle is given. Inside a circle, triangle, and then inside of it pentagonal is given. In the second box, that pentagonal which was inside gone outside, and the triangle and the circle means the outside things came inside and inside things came gone outside. So in the next one which we have to identify the square, then pentagonal, and then rhombus. So the answer of it, what should be the answer of it? The square should go out, the rhombus should go outside, and the square should come inside. So yes, the answer of this question which I can find correct is A. So A is the right answer of this question. Next one more I want to explain for you is, choose the figure that is different from the rest. You can see A, B, C and D consist of the two lines, but one example of it is that which is different from the other three options. So I can see that A, B and D is the parallel lines, but the C are not the parallel lines. So I can find that C is the option which is the right. Okay, so you can explore the other examples. Now I am coming to the exercise which consists the questions from 1 to 15. In that we have to identify the relation between each of the given pair on either side of ratio. Replace the question mark with the correct option. So let's begin with the first question. 63 is to 48, then what will be the answer of 35? So we can say 63, we are knowing that 8 square of 8 is equal to 64, and if you will be doing minus 1 from 8, then it will be 63. And in the same manner, if I will see square of 7 is 49, and if I will do minus 1 from 8, then it will be 48. So 35, just think that what is the number from which, if we square of any number from which if we will do minus 1, then 35 can come. So the square of 6 is 36, and if I will do minus 1 from 8, then it will be 35. Okay, so what can be? It is the square of 6. So as earlier square of 8 and 7 given, so square of 6, then square of 5 will be there. square of 5 is equal to 25, and if we will do minus 1 from it, then it will be 24. Then you can see if any answer you can find which is the correct of 8. The correct answer, yes, 24 is the answer, and that is the B1. So I find the answer is the B1. So last you can do the second question in the same manner, and I am giving you the example of third question. 11 is to 17, then what will be the answer of 13? 23. So if I will try to solve it. The 11, if I will be do plus 6 of it, then it will be 17. Okay, so same manner, if I will be do plus 6 from the 23, then it will be 29. So you can find the B option is correct for 8. Same manner you will be solving the other question, and the let's I will be solving for you the sixth one. Th is chew. The function of th is chewing. So what is the function of mind? So we can see the options: think, brain, study, or walk. So the right answer which I find correct is the think. Okay, in the same manner, seventh question I will be solving for you. Country is to state, then what will be the answer of year? As a state makes a country, same way months make a year. So the answer of it is a month. The next question you will be solving for you by yourself. 11th question I am solving by myself for you. That you can see the arrow, the plus sign of the arrow is there, and they just in the next one this plus sign just tilted little bit. In the next one, the for 2 arrow with the plus 1 sign given, then what can be the answer of it? If you will tilt just little bit of it, then what can be the answer of it? No, first cannot be the answer, B also cannot be, C also, because they have reversed the arrow in the C. So the third one I find is the correct. Okay, so next question which I am going to solve for you, that in the first box A is given, and the second one they have just reversed the A and they have just put the circle on it. So I will be finding what can be the right answer of it. A can be right answer, but in the A triangle circle has given, so A is also not the right answer, B also not. So I find C is the right answer of this. Question number 13. K is given, and by taking these 3 lines a triangle can be made. So in the next one 6 line is given. So by this 6 line what we can make? We cannot make square, we cannot make pentagonal, we cannot make this one also, but we can make the hexagonal. So right of this question is the B1. 14 one I am also solving for you is this one, that first of all hexagonal is given, and inside the hexagonal one incomplete hexagonal is given, and in the second one side has decreased and pentagonal has given, and inside of it decreased pentagonal is given. So next of it square is given, and inside of is the one less incomplete square is given. So one side of less, then it will be triangle. So definitely triangle, and inside incomplete triangle, the right answer is the D1. Okay students, so I think I have mentioned number of the question for you, and the rest of the question you will be doing by yourself. All the best, enjoy learning, and I hope you will be enjoying doing this. Thank you so much.